Barnes Plumbing, a long and strong history of providing solutions to our customers' big and little plumbing and heating problems. Our company is licensed, bonded, and insured, serving since 1982. Here's what some of our customers have to say about us. Alexey Novoselov says, "I like this company. They did their work professionally." Cathy Lombard says, "Jordan came to repair a leaking drain, and not only was he very efficient, but he noticed a small leak in a water line and fixed that too. He ended up replacing about twice as much as I'd anticipated, but he was so quick that it was still less than expected. It's been a year and a half and we haven't had any issues with his work. We stood by quality work, fair pricing, and superior service to satisfy the plumbing and heating needs of customers. Contact us and request more information."